It happens a lot when it comes to Discord that sometimes the audio is not working, sometimes the video is not working, and sometimes your screen share is not working. And believe me, sometimes it's not Discord that is causing these problems. It's just your device that is having these technical issues, and there are ways on how you can fix it. So today I'm going to talk about DirectX Diagnostic tool, and this actually can be really helpful to understand if it's Discord that is causing these problems or if it's your computer that is causing these internal problems. Now, just before I move on, for those who don't know what is DirectX Diagnostic, it is a program in your computer that provides information about the hardware and software components that are related to running games and videos on your computer. And it can show things like what types of graphics cards you're having, what version of Windows you're running, and how well your sound and input devices are working. Now, this is really useful because think of it like a checkup for your computer's ability to play games and videos. And to be honest, Discord is made, where you can video call and play games with your friends. It has a built-in game-related system because it was made for gamers in the beginning. Anyhow, so the tool can help you understand if there are any problems that are causing these things to run slow or not work correctly. And if there are any issues, the information gathered by DirectX Diagnostic tool can be useful for troubleshooting and fixing those problems. Now, to run this diagnosis, you need to press Start and R keys. Then a pop-up will appear on your screen, which is basically a run application. And in the text box area, you need to type DXDIAG. Then just press Enter, press Yes, and it's going to start diagnosing your computer. Just make sure the green bar reaches till the end. And once it's done, you can just check out the information that you see on your screen by clicking Next. And if there are any issues, it's going to let you know, and from there you can fix the problem on your PC. So yeah, that's all. Not many people know about this method, which might actually help you saving some time, because I know often we end up just checking things within Discord and sitting confused because we don't see any problem in the app settings. So I just thought I should make a video on this. Anyways, thank you for watching. That's all for today's video. I hope this was helpful. If so, support me by subscribing and liking this video, as it helps me a lot and it will help others. And yeah, see you in the upcoming tutorial.